Get ready to bring your dishes to life, because today we're creating a menu item in Baisic Restaurants app. Let's start. Open a restaurant, then click Menu. Next, click the Items tab. Here, you'll see the list of all the menu items in your restaurant. Now, tap the plus button located on the lower right corner of the page to add a new menu item. This will open the Add Menu Item page. Now let's build your dish. Upload a photo of your dish. Add the menu item title. I'll put Tamago Yaki. And a description if you'd like. For this, I'll put a sweet Japanese rolled omelet. Now we need to put a recipe. Let's enter the ingredients first. Click Add Ingredients. This will open the ingredients list.
Then let's search for the ingredient we need. I'll search eggs. Click Eggs, and this will open the ingredient bottom sheet. Here, you need to put the quantity, so I'll put 3. And for the unit, I'll use the existing one, which is pieces. Then, click the Add button. The next ingredient is midden. Click Add Ingredients again, and search for midden.
For this situation, mirin is not yet available, so let's click the plus button to add a new ingredient. For the quantity, I'll put 1, and for the unit, click the Unit dropdown. This will display the unit measurement bottom sheet. I'll select tablespoon for this ingredient and click Add.
To speed things up, here's the full ingredient list. Next, let's add the instructions for the recipe.
Tap Add Instructions, and the cursor will be displayed, along with the hash sign. The hash sign is for tagging the ingredients we just entered. Now, I'll type beat the, and then the hash sign. This will display the ingredients list. Select 3 pieces eggs,
And continue with my instruction, beat the 3 pieces eggs in a ball. That's how easy it is to add an instruction. Let me wrap up the rest real quick. And boom, the recipe is complete. Now, let's fill in the rest of the menu item details.
put your selling price, let's say 120. Set how many people this dish is good for. Let's set it to 1 person. Then, add your preparation time. I'll set 5 minutes. Next, select a preparation area. For this dish, I'll select Kitchen. Next is to choose a category. Let's pick Appetizer.
For inventory, you can input the number of stocks you currently have. So I'll put 20. For the low stock threshold, let's set it to 10. Once everything looks good, tap Create.
And that's it. Your tamago yaki is now officially on your menu. New menu items appear instantly on the menu and orders pages, ready for customers to order right away. Menu management made simple, only with Baisic Restaurants.